How to sign in JCpenny Mastercard credit card. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you log in or sign into your JCpenny Mastercard credit card. So let's get started. First, as you have to open any browser on your system. After you open browser, in the source field, you'll have to search for JCpenny credit card. After you search for that, at the first, you can simply find the official site of JCpenny credit card. Simply tap on that. After that, from the section at the top right, tap on three lines. From the section, tap on account. And from here, to be logged simply you'll have to provide your user ID and password. After you enter your correct user ID and password, simply tap on secure login. As you can also recover your ID and password, simply tap on the option I forgot my user ID or password. After there, you'll be able to sign in or log into your JCpenny Mastercard credit card online. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.